Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this windshield window cleaner. So this is for cleaning the inside of your windshield. It's very nice. Now it will expand. You're just going to hold this and turn this and expands it. Now you'll hold this and turn this that way and it locks it into place. It does come pre-assembled. It does have a screw there. We could take it out, but it is all assembled, ready to go. Hold this, turn this handle like this, and now I can put it anywhere I want in between. Turn it and it's locked. So let's measure that real quick. That handle is 19.5 inches. So it does come with these other pads that we can put on there. They go on and off real easy. It does come with this one pad that's a little bit different. The spray bottle, you're just going to put water in this. Just water, no chemicals. Just spray a little water and then we're going to clean the inside of our car. I do like how it is kind of angled a little bit. Get down in the corners a little bit. Let's go see how it cleans the car. Okay, so I'm inside my truck. Again, just spray some of this. This is just water. Now let's take the tool. Yeah, I got some pretty good leverage with it. I like it has that V shape. I can get down really close. And again, you're just going to be wiping that water off. It gets that inside grime off the inside of your window. Yeah, it glides really easy. I feel like I got good leverage. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.